Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the test, even the NCERT test book, the first and second exercise, and
Yes.
for RD Sharma also, the first and second exercise.
Yeah, 10.1 and 10.2.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
10.3 is not there. Complementary angles will not be there.
And what is the test?
Trigonometry, first and second chapter test, trigonometric ratios.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in that exercise 10.2, I couldn't solve question number 24.
Question number, this one, which exercise?
10.2.
10.2. Which question number?
24.
Root 3 is equal to tan 2x.
Yes, ma'am.
So cos 60 substitute, sin 45, cos 45 substitute. So it is root 3 by 2. No, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. So root 3 tan 2x is equal to 1. Root 3 tan 2x you will get as a 1 because it is cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus sin 45 into cos 45, that is 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. This is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, answer is 1. This root 3 will transfer on other side. 1 by root 3 is tan 2x. So tan of which angle is 1 by root 3?
30.
30. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So 2x is equal to 30. X is equal to 15. Clear?
Ma'am, in the 30th question, first bit.
30. 30. Tan
Yes, ma'am.
a minus b is equal to 30 and a plus b is equal to 60. Tan of which angle is 1 by root 3?
Ma'am, I got A as 45.
A plus b and a minus b. Yes, right. 45. A is 45 and b is 15.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
It's not
Here
115,
it
it's 15. Only 1 5.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So starting with the next chapter, coordinate geometry. Any other doubts anyone has? Coordinate geometry. So in this chapter, there are actually 3 parts are there. Out of that, 1 part is now removed. First one is distance formula. Second one is section formula. Here there are no graphs. And the third one is area of triangle formula. So in that, this part is now removed. Only these 2 parts are there. So first part is distance formula. So the distance formula, that means on a coordinate plane, this is coordinate plane. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now any 2 points are present. Suppose here and here, this is a point A, this is point B with its coordinate x1, y1. B's coordinates are x2, y2. We can find out the distance between A and B. Anywhere any 2 objects are present, 2 points are present here and here. This is point A and this is point B. We can calculate the distance between them if their coordinates are known. Now how to find out that distance which is given by distance formula. Now what is distance formula? What is the formula of it? So here point A is x1, y1 and point B's coordinates are x2, y2. Okay. Now how to find out this? This is point A whose coordinates are x1, y1 and here is point B, suppose its coordinates are x2, y2. Now draw the perpendicular. What is this value? And y-axis also, if you draw the perpendicular, what is this value? On x-axis,
0.
this value is x1
X2 is 0.
and this one
Y1.
y1 point is there. Now B, when you draw the perpendicular on x-axis, so which is this value?
x2,
x2. And what is this value?
y2,
This is y2. Now join this because we have to calculate the distance between these two. Now draw the perpendicular on this line. This is perpendicular. We will consider this as point C. Now can you tell me AC distance? A is at a point x1, C is at a point x2. So what is the AC distance?
x2 minus x1,
2 minus x1.
x2 minus x1. Then B and C points. B and C is distance. B is at y2,
Y2
C is at
y2 minus
y2 minus y1. Now this is right angle triangle. ACB is a right angle triangle. Right angled. So we can use Pythagoras theorem for this to get the value of AB. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. What is AC distance? X2 minus X1 whole square. Now what is BC? Y2 minus Y1 whole square is equal to AB square. Now we have to calculate AB distance. So AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula of distance formula. This formula we call it as distance formula. So what is x2 and x1? x2 is one of the coordinate out of A and B and x1 is the x coordinate of A and B, any one of them. So both the x coordinates of two distances whose distance, which in between those two distance we have to calculate. So subtract the x coordinates and square it, then plus subtract the y coordinate and square it. So x coordinate difference square, y coordinate difference square, we have to do add them and find the square root of it, that is the distance AB. Is it clear? Formula clear? How you got the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am.
So write down this first and then we will do the different types of questions. Three, four types of questions are there in this part, distance formula. Completed?
Done, ma'am.
Then questions? First one, find distance between. First point is P minus 6, 7 and Q minus 1 minus 5. So these are the coordinates are given. We have to find out the distance between PQ. So any one we can consider as x1, y1 and x2, y2. I will consider this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So we have the formula distance PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what is x2? Minus 1 minus of minus 6 whole square plus minus 5. Y2 is minus 5 minus of 7 whole square. So now simplify, take the square. Minus minus is plus 6. Minus 1 plus 6 is 5. 5 square is 25. Plus minus 5 and minus 7 is minus 12. Minus 12 square is 144. Square root of. So this is equal to square root of 169. And that is square root of 169 is 13.
13.
So 13 unit is a distance between PQ. It's clear how to do? You can consider any one x1, y1. There is no restriction. That is, this is only the first one, only the x1, y1, and the second one is also only x2, y2. You can take it here x2, y2 also, and this is x1, y1 also. You can take it. It's completely on yours. Because any why it is so, why it does not matter because of the square here. If the square is not there, then we have to check. Then find out for the second one. It's A 3, 2 and B is minus 2, minus 3. Find out by yourself. In school, which chapter going on?
Trigonometry.
Trigonometry.
Areas of circle.
The areas of circles. Circles also finished.
Yes, ma'am. Not ma'am. Circles not finished.
Okay. What's the first answer?
Root 50.
Root 50. So root 50, you can write it in a simple form also. That is 50 is 25 twos are. So 5 root 2 in units. Root 50 has 5 root 2 units.
Ma'am, third one is 13 root 2 units.
13 root 2. 52.
Yes, ma'am.
No, 52 is not 13 root 2. 13 into 4, the 2 root 13. It is 2 root 13. Square root of 4 is possible, no, not 13.
And is the fourth one 5 units?
5 units, right? Find the value of x if the distance between x minus 1 and 3, 2 is 5. So they have given 5 units as a distance. Now consider one point as A, that is x and minus 1, another point as B, 3 and 2, and the distance AB is equal to 5. So what is AB square? I'll leave it. AB distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AB is 5. If you take the square of it, what will happen? This square root get cancelled. So AB square 5 square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square. The square root gone. So x minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 whole square. So this is 25 is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 3 square is plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 0 is equal to x square minus 6 plus 18 minus 25 is minus 7. And then this is a quadratic equation. We have to solve the quadratic equation. Minus 7 is product. So x minus 7 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So value of x will be either 7 or minus 1. Both are the answers. Is this question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, third one. Find the value of a when the distance between if the distance between points 3a and 4, 1 is root 10. Minus 2 and 4, right? This chapter, you have to keep R.D. Sharma with you. Get the R.D. Sharma book. I'll leave it. I will have to copy down the questions. Next question. Distance between the 2 points is 10. Distance between 2 points is 10 units. 1 point is 2 minus 3. And abscess of other point is 10. Find the ordinate of the other point. What's the answer?
Ma'am, 3 or minus 3.
3 or no, why not minus 3? 3 is right, but not minus 3.
is other the -9?
Yes, -9 is right answer. Now the next question, we have to show that these are the points of rectangle. What we have to show that these points are rectangle points? Yes.
Ma'am, distances between opposite points should be equal.
Yeah, distance of opposite sides are equal. Okay, but then that is the same in parallelogram also.
And
Now,
the diagonal should be same, right?
yeah, diagonal. So that means every time whenever for any quadrilateral they are asking, you have to calculate 6 distances. The 4 sides and 2 diagonal. That is, if ABCD is a quadrilateral, then AB, BC, CD, AD. All 4 distances you have to calculate, as well as diagonals are AC and BD. All the distances you have to calculate. If it is a rectangle, that means 2 pair of opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal. In case of parallelogram and rhombus, diagonals are not equal. In case of rectangle and square, diagonals are equal. Similarity between parallelogram and rectangle, opposite sides are equal, and differences is diagonals. So you have to show it is a rectangle, not a parallelogram, by showing the diagonals equal. So here, take these points, consider these points as A, B, C, D. Then find out AB, BC, CD, AD distances, as well as AC and BD distance. I will consider this as A, B, C, D. So AB square is good. I have taken square, so that is I no need to write the square root number, square root sign. So -2 plus 4 whole square plus -4 plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, that is 13. So therefore AB is equal to root 13. Then BC square is equal to 4 plus 2 whole square plus 0 plus 4 whole square. 6 square is 36 plus 4 square is 16, 52. So BC is equal to square root 52, which is 2 root 13. Then CD is equal to C and D. 2 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 square is 4 plus 9, that is 13. So CD is equal to root 13. And AD square is equal to 2 plus 4 whole square plus 3 plus 1 whole square. 36 plus 16, which is 52. So AD is equal to root 52, that is 2 root 13 units. So we got to know that is both the opposite pair of sides are equal. Now we have to check out with the diagonal. AC square is equal to 4 plus 4 whole square plus 0 plus 1 whole square. 4 plus 4, 8, that is 64 plus 1, 65. So AC is equal to square root 65 unit. BD square is equal to 2 plus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 4 whole square. 4 square is 16 plus 49, 65. So BD is also equal to root 65 units. That means we have to show that is AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC, opposite sides equal, also AC is equal to BD, diagonals equal. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. You have to write all these things. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The next question. This is R.D. Sharma's 7th question. Earlier one is 6th question. These are questions from R.D. Done. Seventh one. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Prove that the three coordinates are there, the vertices of right angled isosceles triangle. So it is right angled also and isosceles also. That means first you have to calculate all the three sides. Distance you can calculate. And then you can say that is there are two sides equal. So therefore it is isosceles triangle. And for proving right angle, you have to prove Pythagoras theorem. So square of one side is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Okay. So find out, consider this as point A, this as point B, and this as point C. So AB square is equal to 6 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. 6 minus 3 is 3 square, that is 9 plus 16, which is 25. So AB is equal to square root 25, which is equal to 5 units. Then BC distance. BC square is equal to 6 plus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square. 6 plus 1, 7. 49 plus 1, which is 50. So BC is equal to square root 50, which is equal to 5 root 2 units. And AC square is equal to 3 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. 4 square 16 plus 3 square 9, that is equal to 25. So AC is equal to square root 25, that is 5 unit. Now you can see that is AB is equal to AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is isosceles. Now you can see 25 plus 25 is 50. So therefore, also AB square plus AC square, that is equal to 25 plus 25, which is 50. That is equal to BC square is 50. So therefore, AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. Therefore, according to Pythagoras theorem, ABC is right angle. Triangle ABC is right angled at A.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is the hypotenuse 5 root 2 units?
Just a second, let me check. Yes, 5 root 2.
And the area is 12.5 square units.
Yes, 12.5 square units, right? Done? Rohit, which question you're doing?
Ma'am, this one, proving 2a, comma 4a.
2a, 4a. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
This is next type of a question, which is actually most asked question from this exercise. Which point on x-axis is equidistant from 5, 9 and minus 4, 6? So there is a one point on x-axis which is at equidistant, means equal distant from this point and from this point. So that means that point we will consider on x-axis, that is P. If it is point on x-axis, what will be the coordinates? It is on x-axis. This means any point on x-axis,
X comma 0.
x comma 0, y coordinate is always 0. And x coordinate has some value, so that we don't know, we will consider the x. This is at equal distance from point A as well as from point B. So point A is 5, 9 and B is minus 4, 6. So it is given that AP is equal to PB, because it is P point is equal distance from A and B. So AP distance and PB distance are equal. Now find out AP distance, or AP square is equal to PB square. So what is AP square? X minus 5 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. X minus minus 4, that is x plus 4 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square. So x minus 5 whole square is x square minus 10x plus 25 plus 9 square is 81 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 16 plus 36. This x square and this x square cancel. Minus 10x plus 6106 is equal to 8x plus 52. So bring this 8x on this side. Minus 10x minus 8x is equal to 52 minus 106. Minus 18x is equal to 4 by 54 minus. So x is equal to minus 54 by minus 18. So 18 3s are. Value of x is 3. So point P's coordinates are 3, 0. Clear? How to simplify this kind of questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Um,
Yes, what's the answer of next question?
-1.
Yes, right. So coordinate is
0, comma -1.
0, comma -1, right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
is k is equal to 1?
Let me put 1 second. Yes, right.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Fine, you can leave. And you have to complete NCERT first exercise. of coordinate geometry chapter. Fine, you can leave now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.